Hello beauties, welcome to Wendy Styles. Today's hairstyle is for women who are constantly on the go. Are you really fusing about hairstyling, or you just want that haircut that will not give you stress? This haircut today is an ideal haircut for women with thin hair. You really have to style this ready to go at any moment, because this haircut today is a style that will give you that flattering shape and a boost of volume, which makes it that less work for you. So if you're a woman that wants a low maintenance style that is a wash and go, please, I would like you to watch this video to the end, because it's a style that will make you look unique, and it's a style that creates that modern fling and enliven the whole look. It allows more versatility, like when mixing it with different lengths and with colors. So it's a style that will really turn eyes in that occasion and will make you look different from the rest. So if you really want to show up your glam, or you really want to look different from the others, please try rocking the style you're seeing, because it's a great way for you to showcase any texture of your hair, and it is a classic style for any age, because it comes out looking neat and give you that clean shape that every woman wants. Take a good look on this style. It's a great style for women who want a little more ease with their hair, and you can see her is a very customizable and works well with any hair texture and thickness. So I love this style because it's a haircut that will make you look so young and make you look so polished. So let you guys watch these beautiful styles we have for you, and let me know your mind on how you feel about this haircut. God bless you guys.
Make you tell her I don't go. She no love me and so if you help me see her go, make you tell her I don't go. She no love me and so if you help me see her, make you tell her I don't go. She no love me and so she don't break my heart. Can't take it no more, can't stand it no more. So go. If I die now, I go happy. Say when I did this world, I don't fall in love. It's like I'm proving myself, and everything depends on you. Can't get my eyes off you. Girl, I'm in love with you, cause it ain't no. Cause now you be the one. Don't even think that I let you to suffer, cause you are my angel, my lover. Listen, so if you won't believe, if you don't believe me, I will not deceive, do not deceive me. Send my love go past the love you give me. If I fall your hand, I beg to leave. With you won't believe, if you don't believe me, I will not deceive, do not deceive me. Send my love go past the love you give me. If I fall your hand, I beg to leave me, baby. If you are my girl, I'll take you around the world. I'll take you places where you've never ever been before. So give me your hand, I'm giving you my heart. I promise I'll be loving you forever and ever. that I'll find someone like you that will capture my heart, and there's nothing I can do. Say I used to lie to myself that I'll always be a player, but since I set my eyes on you, you don't make me fall in love. Fall in love, fall in love. We supposed marry, cause you don't make me fall in love.
If I die now, I go happy, say when I did this one, I don't fall in love. Which one you did? Well, you did treat me so.
I don't beg, I don't do everything, but you tell me say you need time and you know fit there with me. Not so high, anywhere I just go. If you help me see it go, if you tell him I don't go, she no look me and so don't pang my let go. You can help me see it go, make you tell him I don't go, she no look me and so don't pang my let go. I know say you they hear my voice, cause the song I'm right for you. I had to go find one place where I go hide my head, cause I won't start my whole life anew.
Say I used to lie to myself that I'll always be a player, but since I set my eyes on you, you don't make me fall in love. Fall in love, fall in love. We supposed marry, cause you don't make me fall in
If I
love.
die now, I go happy, say when I did this one, I don't fall in love. Which one you did? Well, you did treat me so.
I don't beg, I don't do everything, but you tell me say you need time and you know fit there with me. Not so high, anywhere I just go. If you help me see it go, if you tell him I don't go, she no look me and so don't pang my let go. You can help me see it go, make you tell him I don't go, she no look me and so don't pang my let go. I know say you they hear my voice, cause the song I'm right for you. I had to go find one place where I go hide my head, cause I won't start my